That's my way. Do it like that. Being on this, afraid, just like
you won't find nobody better than I. Who better than Kai? Rhetorical, don't need no reply. Nah, I'm sensual caramel with a touch of butter. Best of both worlds, sophisticated in them gutter.
Alright, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell right next to it so you can get notified every time your girl uploads a new video, which is absolutely every week. That is every Saturday. You guys get to see me and gonna give this video a thumbs up because you know it's gonna be lit. Get on the pop, keep it rocking. We ain't stopping, period. Alright, y'all, so I'm thinking about divvying up my videos, going back to twice a week. I don't know, I'm in the mood to do that. You guys let me know in the comment section if you would want to see me upload twice a week. I don't know, just let me know how you guys feel, and if you guys agree, then I will. If you don't, then I won't. Because I want you guys to watch my videos, and if 2 times a week is too much, I'll keep it at 1. So yeah, but anyways, in today's video, you guys, I'm just gonna do a quick try on haul from I don't know if this brand is I guess it's like a small brand, I really don't know, but they hit me up on Instagram and asked me would I show some of their swimsuits. The company today that I'm going to just be showing is M.I.A. Like I said, I really don't know much about them. They just hit me up on Instagram and asked me would I show some of their swimsuits. So they sent me 3 swimsuits that they let me pick out on my own. To be honest, you guys, I like swimsuits, you know that, but I'm not like a swimsuit connoisseur. So I know you guys like, what does that mean, Cap? I'm not the type of like person that really knows much about swimsuits, if that makes sense. I like cute swimsuits, I put it like that, but their website, they don't have like their swimsuits not as revealing. They're kind of like conservative swimsuits. So I tried to find some that really I was attracted to, and I only saw like 3, and these are the 3 that I picked out. So I got this first one. This is like a high waist swimsuit, and it has like a tie around the neck halter top. I really do like this, but like I said, this is kind of like conservative. These are the ones that I really saw that I was mostly attracted to. This one is, like I said, it's just a tie around the neck, and it's a tie back, and bottoms are high-waisted. Now I got this one in a medium. I don't know what their conversion size is. Oh no, I got this one in large. I don't know what the conversion size is, but it has 12% spandex. Now I like swimsuits that's gonna take me in, that's gonna make me look smaller than I am. So that's why I kind of like I went towards this black one, because I don't know how their swimsuits run and I haven't tried them on yet. So when I try it on, we're gonna see if I like the way that it shapes my body, because I don't like swimsuits that's gonna make my, I already got a wide stomach, and then I have a lot of extra skin from losing weight around my stomach. So I want something that's going to be flattering in that midsection, and that's mainly why I got high-waisted anyways, because girl, I ain't got the body for no swimsuit right now. No, not a revealing one. Not a revealing. But anyway, the next one that I have is a one-piece. Now this one is kind of revealing. It does have like holes on the side. I really do like this one. It's also a tie around the neck halter top like swimsuit. Like I said, it is a one-piece. This one right here, now I'm not too keen on white. I don't like to get white a lot, but I like the way that this one looked. I really wish it was like a different color, and that would have really made me like this better. I got this one in a medium. I think their website is a plus size swimsuit website, so I think their medium is like a 12. I'm not really sure because I don't know the conversion size and chart. So when I go back on them, I have to look back at the website, and I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna put the size and chart up there, so I won't be giving y'all incorrect information about these swimsuits. But yeah, this is really cute too. I like the ruffle detail in the middle. When it comes to ruffles, to me, they're gonna cover up all of those imperfections that you have in this midsection. So the ruffles are gonna take away from the midsection. It's not gonna show all of the unwanted attraction to my midsection. So yeah, I really do like this one as well. And one that I have, I told y'all this was gonna be a short video, a very short video. The last one that I have is another one piece. This one is a tie around the neck too. You guys already know I like stuff that tie around my neck, especially when it comes to swimsuits. This one right here looks like it's gonna be one of those ones that's gonna hold my girls up. The only thing that I do not like, but I will give them credit for, y'all know how I feel about cups. I like the swimsuits that have the removable cups, the little hole that you can remove the cups out of. But you can't do this one with, you can't do that with these swimsuits. You can't do that with these swimsuits. But I think this one, and this one are the only. Okay, no, this one is the only one. Okay, this one has cups in it as well. So their cups are not removable. So that's kind of like with me, but their cups are not small either. I wouldn't suggest it to someone who is bustier than I am, but y'all know I had a breast reduction, so if I wouldn't have gotten my breast reduction, I don't think this cup size would fit me. And I don't know if I would have to go up a size if with the bigger sizes the cups get bigger, or if they are all the same size. But I don't know, but we're gonna see when I try this one on. I have this one is in a medium as well. This one is a navy blue and white one. Now the quality on these swimsuits are really nice. They're really nice. I'm gonna have to go back on the website as well to give y'all like the pricing, but I think these swimsuits, none of them are over $40. If I'm not mistaken, I don't think any of them are over $40, but they are some nice quality swimsuits. So don't get if you're thinking like, oh my gosh, that is so expensive, they are some nice quality. So the quality of the swimsuits, I can see them being the price that they are because of the quality. This is some very nice quality. It's like they use some good material that was kind of like pricey, and that's why they, the prices of the swimsuits are a bit like up there in price. But these are really cute. I really do like all of these. I'm gonna leave the M.I.A website linked in the description box, just in case you are somebody that like conservative swimsuits. You don't like the swimsuits that I tend to get. I like swimsuits that are kind of like, I like swimsuits that can show a little bit of some here and there. I like the halter top swimsuits with the high-waisted bottoms, but I'm not too keen on the swimsuits that kind of like cover up everything. Like, I am self-conscious about my midsection. That's why I always gravitate towards the high-waisted bottoms, but I do like to show a little bit of skin when it comes to my tops and stuff. I don't mind the halter top swimsuits and stuff like that. I'm not too conservative when it comes to my swimsuits, because girl, I'm just not. But that is it. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. This was a short one, I know, but I just wanted to go ahead and show you guys these swimsuits because they did send them to me so I could show you guys. And if you guys like them, you can check their website out and shop with ft.MeetCurve. So yeah, I think it is a plus size website dedicated to plus size females. So yeah, that is a good thing. And that's it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all of that good stuff. Love you guys, and I'll see you all in the next video. Deuces. Mwah.